Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to learn about custom catalog and group creation. We will try to see this by an example where we need to create a role for account payable accountant and map couple of tiles to it. The apps which we are going to configure are manage automatic payment as well as account payable overview. In order to configure the apps, the details which we would need is the technical catalog details for the apps to be configured, which can be checked in the SAP Fiori apps reference library. For example, for manage automatic payment, I have already selected the system version. And once you go to the implementation information, you can jump to the technical catalog detail, which is SAP TC Fin CO common. I have already made a note for this so that I can refer to it while custom catalog creation. We'll try to see this in the system, how we can actually create it. We'll go to the Fiori Launchpad Content Manager and create a custom catalog and then map the tiles which are manage automatic payment as well as account payable overview to it. Once we have created our catalog, we would be creating custom group and then we would be creating a role where the catalog and groups will be added to it. You can click on the create new catalog, give the catalog ID as well as the title. You can give the names as per the customer namespace. Once the catalog ID is created, we will map the tiles to it. In order to map the tiles, we would need the technical catalog details, which we have already taken the reference from the apps library. In our scenario, we see that both the app belongs to the same technical catalog. So we will try to add both this app at one go. We'll try to filter upon the apps which we need to configure. We'll just select both the UI5 apps which we are going to configure for this catalog and then add. You can see that for the custom catalog which we created, the two apps, account payable overview as well as manage automatic payments are added to it. Now we will try to create a group and you can do it by just clicking on open, open in designer. There is also a standard transaction to it which you can use to launch this launchpad designer, which is UI2 FLPD underscore cust. We'll try to create a group for it. Under the groups tab, you can click on the create icon, give the title and ID to it. Title we will give it same as for our custom catalog name and ID would be ZCR underscore AP accountant. Once the group is created, we will map tiles to it. We'll take a reference from the catalog which we have created just now. As you can see that manage automatic payment as well as payable overview are already here, and we'll just add this to the group. And now our group ZCR AP accountant has been created, which has the ties which manage automatic payment as well as account payable overview. Now we will be creating a role and adding this catalog and group to it. Role name can be given as per the customer namespace. I'm just creating a test role for now. Under the menu section, once you go to the transaction, you can see that under SAP Fiori Launchpad, you have the option to add catalog group as well as space. Since we are using catalog and group in our scenario, we'll just add the catalog and group detail and maintain the authorization for the role. We'll add the catalog which we have just created. We'll also add the group to it. As you can see, once you click on the details, you will see that the Launchpad catalog, and similarly, you will also see the Launchpad group details. Now we will try to maintain the authorization. I am maintaining the full authorization as it is for testing purpose. Ideally, in the any business scenario or for any of your technical requirement, you should be conscious while maintaining the org field or auth field values. Once the role has been generated, we'll try to assign this role to a user. We already have a Fiori demo user, and we'll try to assign this role to that. Once you have added the user ID, you can run the user comparison. Now we would try to log on to the Fiori demo user and see how the catalog and group which we have created reflects in the Fiori Launchpad. It is taking us to the previous session since we did not log off. So I'll just log off and try to re-log on. Once you have logged in, you can see the account payable accountant group with the two types manage automatic payment as well as account payable overview has been created, which we were trying to show in this scenario. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it clarifies the custom catalog and group development.